Today we're going to do a tree ring pour on a 10 by 10 square canvas. I'm using Nicole's Craft Studio and Apple Barrel products. I got them on sale. So we're going to see how they do with this tree ring pour. I'm also going to use a denim that I've mixed up from another brand, or actually several brands. So let's get started. Check my canvas to make sure that it is level both ways. I've prepared it. I'm using push pins and I have masking tape on the back for any overflow. Now I'm ready to stack my paints in my cup for this tree ring pour. I'm going to actually stack my paints lightest to darkest. Now you can choose to do this any way you want. I like to have in 2 rounds of paint. 2 rounds of pour. When I do a tree ring pour, I like to pour it down the side like this. When I do a flip cup, I like to pour it in the middle. So straight down the middle of the other color. This is a denim blue. And then I'm going to put a tiny bit of Mars black. Just a bit. Don't want to take over with black. Alright, well, a little bit of bubbles coming up, not too many. Alright, so I am going to pour from the other side, this side over here, because I'm right-handed. And here we go. So I started a little bit closer to this edge and I'm moving over. I like to do that so that my paint is not totally all in one spot. Now some people will do their tree ring pours directly from the middle only. Ooh, I love it. I love a toothpick, but I like to bring this into a swirl, last minute swirl in the end, just in case. Now sometimes I like to have a little fun with my pour and then stretch it out. Now you can do this before, you can do this after you stretch it out, you can do it both, and I'm going to show you both. Look at that. See how that is? Maybe I'll go a little bit this way. Don't want to do it in the same spot too many times. Now you see I'm rolling over already. I want to get some more swirls in there before it rolls over. Oops, that one went out of my canvas here. Love this. I got a lot of paint on here, but I love how it's turning out. I'm going to lose some of these over the side, which is sad, but that's okay. Let me pull this one out this way a little bit. Alright, let's stretch on some of this. Now I'm already anchored there. See, as it goes over the side, it anchors it. So it's going to stay, that spot is going to stay right there. Now we are going to get rid of some of this because there's so much paint. Didn't mean to get that much on there. But I love this pattern. fact, I'm going to bring some of this pattern back. I like it. Look at it. So I want to save some of that. That's beautiful. Get rid of some of that yellow. All right. Stretching it down this way. And there it is. I'm going to leave it just like it is. Bring some of this over the edge. And we're done. Look at that. That's beautiful. So you can just take your finger and pat the edges, make sure that they get covered. And there it is. So I will bring you in closer. You can see our final pour. Thanks again for watching. So here's our final product. As you can see, we do have some cells popping up in here. I'm going to actually use our trusty little propane torch. Bring some of those cells up. You see them popping up as I go over it. Don't want to get too close. Just trying to heat up the paint. Don't want to cook it. But didn't that turn out wonderful? Even the spots that came off on the mat. Look at this. That silicone mat is a source of paint drippage that I sometimes save and do my jewelry pieces with. So I hope you are enjoying this, and I hope you get a chance to try this at home.